Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.